Hello everyone, thank you so much. This is my presentation. I'm Christian Chavu from DRC. So this is my final presentation, Microsoft Azure account and course. So first, I would like to inform the grader for this course that I was talking with the instructor, and he told me that I need to tell you uh, I don't have access to my Microsoft account because it is not available in my country, and I tried many times to create that account, but I didn't know how. But he said that I need to present my project and each step of my project, and you are going to review my grade. So that was the information. I was talking with the instructor. So I didn't know how to tell you about that. So if I go in the chat in order to show you first before I present my project. So let me show you my the message. So he say that the brother Logan say that he told me about. So yes, I'm going to pay for the exam, but before that, this is his message. So he said that Christian, the video was not have a audio. Please record and give the explanation as well. You're having difficulties. Has also include a comment that you cannot complete certain step on discuss with as we discussed it with me. So my grade can also be award. So this is the information that I would like to share with you. This is that's why I was sharing my all of my presentation without some steps of the project. So this is my final presentation, Microsoft Azure account final presentation. I'm going to summarize the key of whole project that we learned, and we mentioned the main topic coverage such as management, virtual server, networking, and security. And the creating login and assigning user to group. So explain the process. We explain the process of setting up user accounts for different uh, team, sales and marketing, engineering, customer, and success. Then creating the Microsoft Entry ID user account. And now for the virtual server setup, we're spawning a virtual server for the team, and to describe the creation of the virtual machine for each team and their storage required. We go on computer computes and then create the virtual machine on Azure. That was the third project, and was explaining the restriction to only design group and access restriction to server. Now we create a virtual network assigning IP and for each group, and now we certainly have backup plan for monitoring the virtual machine. We created the backup plan for monitoring and for virtual machine. So that was the project that we worked on, creating the virtual machine and the backup plan. And this is again, so if I want to send the message or the email as I'm talking with the bit.enc, that was my my update of the email. And we said we talk about user management. In user management, we created the tenant user on Microsoft Azure, and we created network and assigned an IP address. Then we created virtual machines, creating backup plan and the monitoring. So then we use the task. So I would like to say that with Microsoft Azure, I learned more how to create storage, how to manage virtual machines, and how to have access to Microsoft Azure account. So I think at the end of this course, I'm so happy because I can I'm able to do many things on Microsoft Azure. So now I'm going to share uh, something that I learned or that I'm able to do on Microsoft Azure account. So because I can't have access to create or I don't have a subscription available with my with this Design College email, I can't do anything. I have no subscription message, and now I used the free account. With the free account, let's see if I can do something. Yes, let's go for free. And now so before we do that, you can see that in Microsoft Azure, everything is there. I can create another resource, but we have we have more resources on Microsoft Azure, and we we have the blockchain, the compute. On the compute, I can create a virtual machine here. I can create a container, I can create a database, and the networking is here, and the virtual network that we worked on. So let's see what I'm talking to you about my access. So when I'm trying to do an action, I have this message that I don't have a subscription possible and the permission to execute that message. So for my last presentation, let me show you what I worked on in Microsoft Azure, and I think I show you all things that I learned and I completed in this course. So the good part of this course was also the part of sharing and reflecting what we are learning with our classmates. So I'm so happy to share with you these main points that we learned in this course: how to create virtual machine, how to create a storage that will support that virtual machine, and how to manage network, virtual network. And that was my presentation, my final presentation. So I would like to remind you that you can see how can talk with the instructor, because I was talking with him that we can review my last project, because I did my best to complete that project, but I can't. I was looking for the tutor, but it was difficult for me to execute or to complete many things in this course. Thank you so much. So I'm so sorry. I don't know how I can't explain that